This video has been made possible through financial support from the Fred C. Glockner Foundation and the American Floral Endowment. In this e-GRO video, we will cover the correct procedures for collecting a substrate sample from your greenhouse crop. To collect your soil sample, you're going to need a few items. First, you need a bucket that you're going to collect your soil in. And also you're going to need another bucket that has some substrate in it that's wetted a little bit so that you can replace the soil in the pot that you've taken out. Also, a pen and a plastic bag that you can put your sample into. To begin sampling, grab a pot off the bench and take it over to your empty bucket and turn it upside down so that you can remove some of the soil. With your fingers, carefully remove some of the substrate from the side of the pot. Then after you're done, replace the soil that you removed with some of your new soil and replace the pot back onto the root ball. And replace back to the bench. When you're removing the soil, make sure that you avoid the top 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of the pot. You're going to need to repeat this procedure several times to get a large enough sample to send into the laboratory. You might have to do this 10 to 20 times because you need about a cup to a cup and a half of soil. Remember, when you do this, again, to avoid that top 1/2 to a 1/4 inch of substrate at the top, because it might skew your results. And always replace the soil that you removed with some new soil so that plants have adequate substrate to continue growing. Once you've collected your samples, be sure to thoroughly mix the substrate before testing it. At this point, you can use the substrate yourself for in-house pH and EC testing, using the saturated media extract method or the 2-to-1 method, or you can send the sample to your favorite testing laboratory. Thank you for watching this video on how to collect a substrate sample. For more information about greenhouse production, please visit the website www.e-GRO.org. This video has been made possible through financial support from the Fred C. Glockner Foundation and the American Floral Endowment.